If you want to call and set up a voicemail on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, all you have to do is open the phone app, and then in here we're gonna switch to the keypad. In order to call the voicemail, you just have to simply press and hold number 1, and then you should be able to speed dial the voicemail. And of course, then you can listen to everything the voicemail is saying in order to set it up for yourself. However, if you press and hold number 1 on the keypad and nothing happens, or you cannot call the voicemail like this, then we're gonna switch back to home. And then over here in the top left corner, we can tap on these 3 lines, and then we can proceed to settings. Now in here, you should be able to find the voicemail option, and then choose advanced settings, go to setup, and you should be able to find the voicemail number. So you want to make sure that the voicemail number is correct. If it's incorrect, then of course you can try to contact your carrier or service provider in order to ask them what is the voicemail number, or you can just simply try to Google that information. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.